A new secret about how turtles navigate in the open ocean is revealed. Each year colonies of sea turtles migrate to warmer regions, traveling for hundreds or thousands of miles to reach tropical safety.
Tourists and scientists alike have previously thought these creatures possessed highly precise means of navigation to help them reach their destinations. But this isn't the case. New research shows sea turtles, specifically hawksbill turtles, bumble around the ocean more than formerly suspected.
Analysis by an international team of scientists has mapped the movements of hawksbill turtles as they swam from their nesting grounds in the Chagos archipelago to foraging sites also in the Indian Ocean. It found the turtles often traveled in circuitous routes when migrating short distances, suggesting the animal's navigational sense is relatively crude, while in the open ocean, hawksbill turtles often travel circuitous routes for short distances. One swam 1,306 kilometers to reach an island just 176 kilometers away.
Despite the erratic nature of the hawksbill turtles' routes, most of them eventually reached their target destinations. Those that didn't give up and returned to mainland foraging sites they were already familiar with, and therefore had an easier time finding. Contrary to what one might assume, the researchers did not see any of the 22 tagged turtles give up and settle for an island they weren't shooting for and had never visited, indicating that this behavior is extremely rare.